All right, I got a Chevy truck behind me. You know what that means. It's time for some Chevy truck tips. So we're talking about idle today. Poor idle, bad idle, Vortec V8 engines, 1999 to 2007. Here's what you need to know, how to fix your idle. It's not gonna be what you think, guys. Right here, we got a 2002 Cat Eye Chevrolet. And then over here, we got the lovely 2006 Cat Eye Chevrolet. I'm working on my French today. Everybody says, Matt, I got poor idle. How do I fix it? You don't. Poor idling isn't the cause of your problem. It is a symptom. If you have poor idling on one of these Chevy Vortec V8 engines, you have other problems and we need to address those first. You got vacuum leaks, bad intake manifold gaskets, carboned up throttle bodies. That's a common one. These throttle bodies on these trucks get carboned up, gunked up, and then they don't open as freely. You get poor idle. Cracked spark plugs, bad spark plug boots, bad spark plug wires. What other kind of stuff? Bad fuel pressure, bad fuel injectors, worn out fuel injectors, low compression. You got 300,000 miles on the motor, clogged air filter, bad mass airflow sensor, a dirty mass airflow sensor. That one's easy to clean. I'd start by cleaning the dirty mass airflow sensor and a carboned up throttle body first on one of these trucks. That normally smooths out the idle pretty good. We need to check. Any one of these problems can cause you to have poor idle, but it's usually a combination of these issues that causes poor idle. And once you fix the problem, the idle will resolve itself. Because if you set out to fix bad idle, poor idle, you can't do it. You're wasting time. Y'all really want me to boil it down for you right now? There is no easy idle adjustment. Don't go looking for an idle screw. Don't go looking for an idle knob. Don't go looking for adjusting cables. It's not there. You're wasting time. You have other problems. You need to resolve your vacuum leak. You need to resolve your low fuel pressure. And that idle will be better. And I guarantee you that 100%. There is no easy idle adjustments on these trucks without modifying the computer, which you don't need to do. So just show me where the idle adjustment screw is. There's a little screw I can turn, maybe, increase the idle, have it idle a little better. No. Nope. So this is a drive-by cable throttle body, and there is a screw under here. I will show you. See that right there? You can adjust that little screw right in the center of the screen, but the computer will just come back and say, hey, nope. Decrease the idle. We don't want it there. You could turn that thing, you could sit here and hold the thing like that. I mean, hold it far enough and, computer will adjust and say, nope, don't want it like that. Knock it right back down. It's gonna maintain the air-fuel ratio that it wants. These computers are smart, man, and they're built well. And they know right where they want that computer, that truck to idle. On these earlier trucks, I'd say it was low, 550, 600, drive-by cable. And then over here on the 2006, I believe there was a software update when they went to this electronic throttle body. It does idle better, and they bumped the idle up to about 800 RPM instead of the 500, 550, 600 of the earlier years. So the idle is better on the newer trucks with the fully electric throttle body. So I know it's frustrating, guys. It's super frustrating. It's not 1980 anymore. You can't just turn a screw and increase the idle. If you have a poor idle, you have other problems, fix the other problems, the idle will sort itself out. Say, man, it's running much smoother now. New spark plugs, new intake manifold gaskets, you know how it goes. The problem is fixed and the idle resolved itself. So I'll check y'all out on the next video. Don't forget to drop me a huge thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more Chevy truck tip videos in the future. I will check y'all out on the next one. Later.